Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well and safe and sound there. And welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I will start it off with the question. So have you ever concerned or slightly being worried about the spy on your phone or on your device? And here in this video, we will talk about it. So actually guys, or I will share you the how the hackers spy through your camera. Well, actually the hackers can access or hack your camera into the many ways, such as if you have the apps that commercially the spyware, or in case you have ever installed the app that contains or have ever required you to allow your camera or your gallery, and if you feel that this app seems not trusted, please beware of that app guys, because that app can potentially to hack your device or spy you. And also please beware of the malicious app, because the hackers use the phishing attack such as the fake email, or it they also can send you the text and they will direct you into the link that requires you to click it or input your data. Please beware and never open that link guys, because it is totally fraud, and they can also give the it also give the access to spy you from the camera and your device here. And also there is the advanced spyware that they don't need to do the, let's say, the malicious or do the phishing attack, or they don't need you to open or install the app. They can randomly spy and get ready to hack you out, because it is actually can be happen for the high profile people. And what is the sign if your camera is like being hacked? So there are three signs that the camera or the hacker can spy you from the camera and without your knowing. The first one is there is the unusual phone behavior, such as your phone feel very overheat, or the battery can be run out really fast, and also there are the unexpected data usage spikes. And the first and also the second clue is you can actually, or maybe you have ever experienced before that there are green dots here on the upper section of your device, and at the same time you feel that you never open the camera while using the smartphone, let's say. That can be the sign that your phones or the camera is being spied. And also please don't worry guys, because by that sign, here's the step to prevent that spy. The first step, if you are the user of the Android phone, you can go to the setting, and also you can, or you will go to the privacy, and you'll go to the permission manager, and this is the click the camera. So guys, the hacker will actually have the access to spy from your device if you give them the permission. So make sure that you have already, or you don't give them the permission to your to access to your camera. So let's say I will choose the option to don't allow, and I will click don't allow anyway. And this this may may be able to prevent your issue from the spying. And also, if you are if there any chance, please install the spyware scan to because it can help you or can help your device to do the scan and also identify and remove and also protect you from the hackers and also the malware that give the potential to spy or hack your data in your smartphone or your another device. So that is the short information I shared you for you guys. I hope this helpful for you. And if you have any requests or is there any feedback for this video, please don't forget to put it in the comment down below. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye bye.